The FKJGP today collected water samples from 51 localities and handed over to the government laboratory to test if the water quality is good enough for the residents to consume it. The water was collected from water tanks of 51 localities after the group received complaints from residents about the poor quality of water being supplied to the localities.
Let us see what is the outcome from these 51 numbers of tank. If the result is positive, we will be publicly announce that this water supplied by these 51 tanks, which the organization has collected the sample, is good or not for drinking purposes. But if the outcome is negative, also we will come to the public domain through the social media, and our motive is to ask the government to, if whatever outcome, suppose if it is negative, to ask the government to kindly rectify, so that our people will be able to have a good drinking water in every household.